Your national or individual victory and success are not merely on account of your strength. Your success is in fact the result of the ideology or teaching which you present with reason, and they accept it through logical arguments. The fundamental point of this ideology is the concept of Allah the Almighty. In the way you present this concept of Allah, it is not possible for a human who ponders intelligently over it to refuse to accept it. That concept is that there is only one Allah the Almighty, who is unique in his person and attributes. No one share these with him. Only Allah's law is in force in the entire universe, and all humankind should also live under that one law. This will create unity in humankind. Allah is self-sufficient and everything else is dependent on Allah for its survival, nourishment and development. Everyone else rushes towards it for seeking safety and protection from deluge. Allah has brought into existence every living being through the process of creation, not of procreation. In procreation, a part of the producer is passed on to the product.